issued by the California Highway Patrol on behalf of the California City Police Department. On July 10, 2026, at 7:17 p.m., the Maria Peel was taken from California City, California. The Maria Peel is a 3-year-old black female, 1 feet 6 inches tall, weighing 20 pounds, with black hair and brown eyes. The Maria Peel is wearing unknown clothing. The suspect, Charnay McGlynn, is a 31-year-old black female, standing 5 feet 9 inches tall, weighing 185 pounds, with black hair and brown eyes. Charnay McGlynn is wearing unknown clothing. The suspect should be considered armed and dangerous. The suspect was last seen driving a 2021 Golf Gear Sorento with California license plate number 36095 DB. If seen, call 911.